Umani pe meum, Umani pe meum, Umani pe meum, Umani pe meum. How can we stop our brain running all time? We can unplug our brain. We can have a brain wave flat, like an horizon. We can meditate like an horizon. We can do together. I snap 3 times and just we close our eyes. We are sitting down in a comfortable position. In our mind, many thoughts, many waves. We see the brain waves. So we can breathe in and we unplug our brain. And immediately our brain wave is flat. No wave, no thought. Like an horizon, brainwave, flat, like an horizon. And we open our eyes and we see around us the light is more clear. If we touch our fingers, the sensation is more real. Because when we unplug our brain, when the brain wave is flat, when we are more quiet, all the perceptions in the brain are more developed. So yes, anytime, anywhere, we can see the waves and with a breath out.